Hey guys, today we're doing Stretcherz Slammerz. So the chicken is called Clucky and the shark is called Snapper and the dog is called Pugsy and the monkey is called Monkey but with two E's. That is weird. So we're gonna open it. And it says you have to drop it and slam it. Okay, I think we shall start over here. Whoa! We have to do this. Woo! So we're getting this out. Look at that. There we go. We got monkey. Now we got Pugsy. I got confused because there's this guy in Wednesday called Pugsley. Shark dude. And finally, Clucky. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry about that accident, guys. Well, we'll see you in the next video.